new one. For the geometric sequence a, b, and c, where a plus b plus c equals 2, and a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 8, we're going to find the sum of all possible common ratios. So basically what we're going to do is just rewrite these with using our common ratio r. So if it's a geometric series, a sequence a, b, and c, we can let a plus b plus c equal a, plus the next term would be a times r, and the next term would be plus a times r squared, right? Because you keep multiplying by r to get the next term. All right, now let's go ahead and factor out an a, and this gives you 1 plus r squared equals 2. And we're going to call this equation 1. Now we're going to do the same thing for the second equation. So we're going to get a squared plus ar squared plus ar squared squared. All right, and this is going to be, let's factor out an a squared. If you factor out an a squared, you're going to get 1 plus r squared plus r to the power of 4. Now I can simplify this as, this is a perfect square trinomial, so I can write this as a squared times 1 plus r squared times 1 minus r plus r squared. And this equals 8. All right. Now that we have that, we're going to call this equation 2. So for the to get a, let's go ahead and take 2, divide it by 1. So 2 is going to be a squared, 1 plus r squared times 1 minus r plus r squared equals 8, and divide this by equation 1, which is a times r plus r squared. And this equals 2. So when you divide these, you're going to get equals, this is going to be 4 here, and you're going to get, this is going to be a, and these two cancel. So you're going to get a times 1 minus r plus r squared equals 4. We're going to call this equation 3. And finally, we're going to take equation 3 and divide by equation 1. So equation 3 is equal to a times 1 minus r plus r squared equals 4. And equation 1 is a times 1 plus r squared equals 2. So this is going to give me, let's see, this is going to be 1 minus r plus r squared equals, I'm cross multiplying here, the a's cancel, right? So you cross multiply, you're going to get 1, this equals 2, so I'll put this 2 divided by 1. You cross multiply, you get 1 minus r plus r squared equals 2 times 1 plus r squared. All right, we're going to simplify all this, and we get 2 plus 2r plus 2r squared. And set everything to 0, and this is going to give you r squared plus 3r plus 1 equals 0. All right, now that we have that, let's write that out. We have r squared plus 3r plus 1 equals 0. Now, by the relationship between the roots and coefficients, we have a quadratic, and we want to find the sum of the possible ratios. So the sum of r, and that means you're adding the sum, say alpha plus beta, equals negative b divided by a. So this is your b and this is your a. So this is going to equal negative 3 divided by 1, which equals negative 3. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.